Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need essentials now. Verify your Kaggle account, link a GitHub, and set up payment details so you can monetize later. Install Python, Pandas, scikit-learn, and the Kaggle API, then push a simple kernel to confirm workflow. Once done, pick one niche problem with demand and collect 3 relevant public datasets. This narrows your focus and speeds progress. Make sure to document versions and dependencies. This prevents reproducibility issues when you publish or sell notebooks. You should now create quality assets that attract attention. Publish polished kernels with step-by-step README, reproducible code, and visual results. This converts views into followers. Simultaneously enter 2 to 3 competitions or reproduce winning solutions to learn leaderboard metrics and get real evaluation experience. Once comfortable, package your work into tutorials, curated datasets, and model checkpoints. These are products you can sell or license. Make sure to track performance metrics so buyers see clear value. Now convert reputation into revenue. Offer paid notebooks, one-on-one consulting, or a short paid course and promote via your Kaggle profile and social channels. Price pragmatically. Simple notebooks $10 to $50, comprehensive packages $75 to $200, and consulting by the hour. Once money flows, set up invoicing and tax records, keep copies of contracts. If something breaks, reproduce the error locally, verify package versions and Kaggle runtime, and ask the community with a
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.